Hey, this is Eric Miller. I'm at M&M 2024 in Cleveland, Ohio. We're in the mega booth. I'm with Alex. He's from CIQTEK, and this is a new company here in the United States. And Alex, tell us what it is that CIQTEK does.
So we are coming from China. Actually, CIQTEK, limited CIQTEK, is the leading company in China of the high-tech scientific manufacture. So we have several production lines, several sectors. Of course, the scanning electron microscope is one of the most important sectors in our production line, in our family map. So for the EM part, we have the completely production line starting from the normal SEM, the field emission SEM, the Fox ion beam SEM, FIB, and the TEM and also the TM with 120 kV. And in the near future, we will upgrade the cold field emission and also the 200 kV, and also in the future the 300. We have some plan about this part. So this time is the first time we're coming to here to have a look at the American market. We believe it's one of the strategic market in the world, and would like to find some agent here. And we also have some plan to build office in the local market to give the future customer the better quality product and the better service, local service. That's all.
So currently you're going to start bringing in instruments through a distributor, and then you'll be having your own office here within the next year.
Maybe it's next year or the after next year.
Okay. So in the foreseeable future.
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's good. So so any service issues that people would have, you have the local people to come on site to help to fix people's instruments, right?
Yes, of course. So about service, we know that service is the most important thing. The sales is very simple, but service is always it's a continue work. We should do.
Well, it sounds really interesting. So if someone is interested in learning about your instruments online, where would they go to find you?
You can find from by the Google to search the CIQTEK. You can find our website.
Okay.
Our website is CIQTEKglobal.com.
Okay, well, thanks a lot, Alex. That was really fascinating about this company, CIQTEK. So if anyone's interested, check out their website. And we've got more from M&M 2024 coming up right now. We'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.